Imagine a world where machines can create like humans. This is the promise of generative AI. These remarkable algorithms go beyond simple tasks. They compose music, write stories, and even design intricate three-dimensional models. But how? Generative AI learns patterns from massive datasets. It then uses this knowledge to generate entirely new and original content. This technology is rapidly evolving, opening up exciting new possibilities in countless fields, from art and entertainment to science and engineering. Generative AI is poised to revolutionize the way we create and innovate. One of the most exciting aspects of generative AI is its capacity to be a powerful tool for ideation. Imagine an architect struggling with a particularly challenging design problem. Generative AI can step in, analyzing countless architectural plans and styles. It can then generate a range of innovative solutions that the architect may never have considered. This collaborative potential extends far beyond architecture. In medicine, generative AI can help researchers discover new drug compounds. In fashion, it can inspire designers with unique patterns and styles. The possibilities are truly limitless. While generative AI excels at generating novel ideas, it's important to remember the irreplaceable strengths of human intelligence. Humans possess critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and a deep understanding of context. These qualities are essential for evaluating the output of AI, refining its creations, and ensuring they resonate with human audiences. Consider the creation of a piece of music. Generative AI might compose a technically brilliant symphony. However, it's the human musician who brings the soul, the emotion, the human touch that truly moves the listener. The future belongs not to AI alone, but to a powerful partnership between AI and humans. By combining the strengths of both, we can unlock unprecedented levels of creativity and innovation. Imagine a world where AI assists artists in realizing their wildest visions, where writers collaborate with algorithms to craft compelling narratives, and where scientists work alongside AI to solve humanity's greatest challenges. This is not a future to be feared, but one to be embraced. It's a future where the spark of human ingenuity is amplified by the power of AI, leading us to a brighter and more imaginative tomorrow.